Dang!
What?
Man, Goodwill just fired me.
Why?
I ain't gotta tell you.
Why not? What you scared of?
I ain't scared of nothing. I ain't telling you.
Why what happened? You supposed to box or something, huh?
Still in boxes.
Trying to
All
build
right.
a big house.
If you need to know, I was stealing hangers.
Hangers? Really?
Yeah, man, I did laundry. I need some hangers.
Why didn't you use mine?
Your clothes bigger than mine, man. They're not gonna fit.
What's that supposed to mean, man? Same size. Fit it all.
They the same size.
Yeah.
So I stole out the kids section for nothing.
You pretty much stupid.
Man, I need some money, man.
Yeah, me too, man. All I got just got $1 worth of change right now.
That's $1?
Yeah. If I get a slushy or something, don't you think?
A slushie?
Yeah.
I can get a slushie. Oh, let me see how much I got. You got $1? I got $1 too.
I want to double up on that.
You wanna hoop?
Let's go, man.
I'll hoop for your $1, bro. Shoot, it ain't nothing to a pop. Put your money where your mouth is, bruh. It's gonna be my $1 tonight. Get up in that.
Oh, shit. Hold up, wait. I hold this on y'all.
Oh, look, a squirt gun. Want to go play water tag with it? Yeah, come on.
Hey. That's not a toy. Anybody getting wet with that tonight? All right?
Why?
Because.
Hey, man, what's that?
It's nothing. But don't even worry about it, man. Just in case anybody get crazy, you know.
Cool,
Yeah, we all good, man. We all good. It's all good. Let's go.
All right, figure out this container. My take, you already know. Check up, boy. Check up again. She just said, what's up? About to go on $1 rich, baby.
Oh, shit.
Ah!
Man, that didn't count.
It did count,
Shoe
boy.
almost fell off.
What?
My shoe almost fell off.
That shouldn't almost fell off.
Yes, it did.
If it fall off, keep playing.
And whatever, check out.
The other night, Kobe shoe just fell off and he didn't say
Chill out.
nothing.
Chill out. Kobe wasn't even playing the other night. Stupid.
Oh. Anyway, I hope you know we're going to 2. That's 1.
All right, let's go. Deal.
All right, check out, boy.
And one, buddy.
And 1. I ain't touching it when you shot it.
And one. Coming on
Fire, dude.
And one.
Money do make you funny.
And only thing funny is your face.
What?
Only thing funny is your face.
Hey, what's up?
Chill out with that bull, man.
All right, since you so tough and you want your $1, dunk on me.
Dunk on you.
Dunk on me.
Don't want this. Sucker. Look at my shoes and stuff, boy. Tell you about these young cats out here. Who want that?
You cheated, dude.
Man, you game, nigga.
Thanks.
Yeah, whatever. Who won? Yeah, I did that.
I won, dude.
Hey, no, you didn't. Hey.
Whoa! Don't play with my money.
I invented swag. Fuck what these other niggas talking about. Niggas wanna brag about the shit that they lack, but the truth of the fact is all word of mouth. Talk a lot of crap, it ain't shit for show. Bathe the nape shit that I get for low. I don't pay much and I don't say much, but I still got a swag you should get to know.